Yes, terrific. So I think we can get started. It's going to be an exciting night, for me anyway, because I've got so much to tell you, but I'm really aiming to keep everything simple. So tonight is not really a presentation, it's more like a special Q&A session. I prepared some of those questions that we received from you over the last few days or week since our first call. As you know, we decided some time ago to venture into the new and exciting world of cryptocurrencies, and we devised a system which I believe is the Rolls-Royce of cryptocurrencies, certainly in the network marketing and online marketing industry. This is a new area for a lot of people. I understand if some of you are excited and some of you are a little bit skeptical, but in any case, I think you all need more information. My objective tonight is to explain the ILCoin concept as simply as possible, really, for you to see what it's all about, how to make money from it, how it works. Last week's call you can hear and watch on our closed group, ILGAMOS Partners Worldwide group page on Facebook. So if you click on that one, if you look for ILGAMOS Partners Worldwide, you can see last week's call's link on YouTube. Click on it and listen to it 1 or 2 times. It's important to do that, to see all the pieces of the puzzle to fall into place. I'm also going to handle a few specific questions about ILCoins, and I'm also going to give you some numbers in euros, because let's face it, people join a business because they want to make money, and they need to see not only how the system works, but also how much money they can potentially make from this whole enterprise. And finally, I'm going to close tonight's session with trying to answer anyway a few general questions about ILGAMOS, where we are, what we are doing, etc., etc. To recap what we do and who we are, it's very simple. We offer various gold accumulation programs. You know that. We sell and deliver investment grade fine gold bullions from Switzerland at attractive prices and flexible terms. We do free storage, and we also do home deliveries. And you, of course, or any other partner, can choose to just go ahead, accumulate gold, recommend the system to other people, and earn money from sharing the concept. That's brilliant. We are also now involved with cryptocurrencies. We don't just want our partners to have a vehicle in their hands to preserve wealth. Now we are giving them an option to make money from a fast-growing and very exciting world, and that's cryptocurrencies. We created our own cryptocurrency. We named it ILCoin. It all started with Bitcoin, as you know, and smart people made a lot of money on it. How did they make a lot of money on it? It's very simple. Like any other business or any other product or service, they bought cheap and they sold dear. You see the chart here. The price was pretty close to zero for the best part of 2 or 2.5 years, and some people purchased bitcoins at $10. The price, as you know, shot up to $1,200 about a year ago. Now it's trading around $400. It's not bad. Bitcoin was the mother of all cryptocurrencies, but it was the Wild West. There were no rules. It was free for all to mine and sell and buy, etc. There was no marketing concept behind it, and of course there was absolutely no incentives for anyone to get involved with promoting this new cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Most people didn't know about it. They didn't have an idea what it was. Today Bitcoin you can find on many exchanges around the world, and fortunately or unfortunately at many different prices, because it's an open source cryptocurrency. Now Bitcoin is at a mature stage. You could also say the Bitcoin boat has already left. People who want to make money in cryptocurrencies have a dilemma. If they want to get into this revolution, of course the first thing you need to do is find a suitable coin. If you think Bitcoin is still the one, fantastic, but there are other options. Bitcoin is now, after 5 years, an established cryptocurrency. A lot of people have already learned and heard about it. Quite a few people actually use it, but there are new currencies coming up, ILCoin being one of them. First, if you are into this new industry, find a suitable coin. Then you have to face a choice. Do you want to start mining it for yourself? Yes, you can do that if you have the software, if you have the skills, and of course if you have the hardware. A lot of people decided to do that with Bitcoin, and I just showed you last week what the total processing capacity of all computers mining Bitcoins. So anyway, you can start mining it for yourself. You better get prepared, or, and that's what many people do, you can join a mining pool, because there you can combine your effort with the effort of many other people. Joining a mining pool means that you need no hardware and no skills, and the costs of mining in a pool can be very low, whereas the efficiency is very high. To respond to the challenge created by Bitcoin, we are now creating ILCoin, which is our own private cryptocurrency. That's the new Bitcoin, if you wish. And that's going to be exclusive to ILGAMOS and ILGAMOS partners. Smart partners will make money here, just like a lot of people made money with Bitcoins. Now, ILCoin will be an opportunity for ILGAMOS partners exclusively. How to make money from it? Very simple, just like people made money from Bitcoins. Buy cheap and sell dear. No doubt this is a ground floor opportunity. We are starting now as I speak, and it's mined using the same technology as Bitcoin, so it's highly secure, it's virtually unhackable. Please get used to this terminology, SHA-256 or SHA-256. That's a highly secure encryption method used by the banking industry, government organizations, secret services, etc., etc. It's the same encryption technology which is used to mine Bitcoins, and I'm very proud of that. No other network marketing company offers cryptocurrencies which would be mined using this technology. Most of them out there, little Mickey Mouse coins, are mined using script-based technology, and that's not really secure. It's quite hackable. Production of ILCoins will be retained by ILGAMOS. We will have full control over the distribution, the pricing of this currency, and of course the marketing of it, and that gives us and that gives you a terrific opportunity. You may ask the question, why join a mining pool? What's the benefit? What's the whole idea? It's very simple. I mean, why do people get involved with mining gold, mining oil, mining coal, mining Bitcoins, and now ILCoins? Very simple. Miners make profits from selling what they have mined, from trading what they have mined, and it's exactly the same, it's identical here with ILCoins. In order for you to be able to mine ILCoins, you need to get involved with this mining pool created by ILGAMOS. In other words, you need to get mining rights to participate. So mining rights will give you access to the mining capacity. How do you get mining rights? That's the next obvious question. You need to collect OPRs first. That's going to be your entry ticket to mining ILCoins. Once you've got OPRs collected, you can convert those OPRs into mining rights. So the only way for any ILGAMOS partner to become involved with mining ILCoins is to get mining rights in exchange for OPRs. Well, the expression and the term OPR is probably pretty familiar to many of you. OPRs initially were presented as kind of a profit-sharing deal for our leading partners with a business pack, but we decided to elevate OPRs to a new height and make them available to all our partners, even with just a smaller pack. So optional purchasing rights, as we speak today, are your entry ticket to the ILCoin mining pool. That's the only way for you to become involved with mining ILCoins and of course profiting from trading, buying and selling ILCoins later down the road. OPRs are awarded to partners free. All packs that are purchased from now on will come automatically with OPRs. ILGAMOS does not sell OPRs. I want you to be clear on this. And ILGAMOS only gives out those OPRs to partners purchasing packs. So ultimately you can sell your OPRs if you wish. I'm going to explain in a minute how that's done. And partners, all other partners, may, if they want, sell their OPRs. So ILGAMOS does not sell OPRs. You will be able to sell your OPRs or part of your OPRs. Very simple math. The more OPRs you have, the more mining rights you will get. The more mining rights you get, of course, the more ILCoins you will be able to mine and acquire. And the more ILCoins you have as a miner, the more money you will make. So what's the process? How does it work step by step? The first step, of course, is to get OPRs. How do you get OPRs? There's a passive way and there's an active way. The passive way is buy packs. The more packs you buy, the more OPRs you will accumulate. You can also start building the group and earning a commission on new partners joining your organization. And that's the active way. Simply because from now on 30% of all commissions that you earn will be credited to you in OPRs. And of course there's a third way of getting OPRs. You can, not now, but soon, you will be able to buy OPRs from other ILGAMOS partners. So that's going to be an internal trade going on of OPRs. So the first step is to get your OPRs, one way or another. The second step is you can buy and sell your OPRs in-house. As I said just before, you can buy more from other partners, or alternatively you can sell some of your OPRs to other partners, and this way you can recover some or all of your original money that you have placed into ILGAMOS. Once you've got your OPRs, you can convert those OPRs into mining rights, as I explained before, and get ILCoin from the process of mining, which is done for you by ILGAMOS and of course our computer geeks, our team in the background. Convert your OPRs into mining rights and get ILCoins. That's the third step. And as you receive your ILCoins, you can start trading ILCoins and profit from a price rise. we already have people on this very call who can hardly wait to start trading ILCoins on public exchanges. I think it's very, very exciting. We believe, because ILCoins are mined using the same system as Bitcoins, we have a marketing strategy. We utilize the power of network marketing, and we will make sure there are incentives built into the system for people to go out and increase the acceptance of ILCoins, both online and offline. We believe the price of ILCoin is destined to rise. I can't tell you right now by how much, but it's going to be a high quality, real cryptocurrency that will become visible later this month. It's going to be traded on public exchanges, and I firmly and definitely believe that ILCoin has everything required to become a huge success story. Let me just repeat a few things, or emphasize a few things. ILGAMOS does not sell ILCoins. So please don't tell people that ILGAMOS is now here to sell ILCoins. No, you will mine and trade ILCoins. That is, you will be the ones selling ILCoins and trading ILCoins in our cloud mining system, and miners will make money. And now, with this move, miners are invited. Please remember, no hardware is necessary. You don't need to bring your big, powerful computers to the table, and there's no expertise necessary, because the team that's now working with ILGAMOS has all that. We have an in-house private proprietary mining pool. We have purchased a startup operation, which means that there is no need for ILGAMOS to rely on money from our clients to set up the hardware required to mine these coins. Most other operations, the way they have worked in the last few years, is that they collect money first. They get those clients to finance the purchase of their expensive hardware and mining gear, and then start giving out and selling to them, or giving back to them, the coins they have mined. We have a cutting-edge technology in full control of ILGAMOS. We will have a virtual monopoly over the production, the mining and distribution of ILCoins. For those people who know what these things mean, we use 20 nanometer processors that consume 3 times less energy, but which are able to mine 10 times more coins in any given period of time. Each of these boxes, as I explained last week, each of these boxes in this picture equals the processing capacity of 5 million average laptops. So we have a lot of processing and mining power, and this is something that I'm very, very proud to announce. We already have the downloadable wallet available to all of you. You will soon be able to download the new ILCoin wallet. This puts us light years ahead of some of these other coins. This proves that our coin does exist, it's tradable, it's sendable, it's transferable, and if you look closely at the screen, you will see that I received 10 ILCoins yesterday at 1937 from ILGAMOS, and the wallet number of ILGAMOS is here, beginning 140 ZWWJW, etc., etc., etc. So now ILCoins can not only be mined, but also sent from wallet to wallet in a split second, exactly the same way as Bitcoins. So that's the general concept. That's what we have put together. We are now looking for miners to join our organization, and ILGAMOS is going to share the profits of mining and trading ILCoins with our partners. After this short overview of how the system works, I'm going to handle some questions, about ILCoin and this ILCoin system specifically. The first question we get is how do I get OPRs? I answered this question more or less a few minutes ago, but let me just repeat it. When you buy packs, you receive OPRs. You will also receive OPRs if and as you start building your team, because 30% of all commissions earned will be credited to your account in OPRs. And of course you can, not now but later on, will be able to buy more OPRs from other ILGAMOS partners using your commissions that you have earned. Okay, how many OPRs will you get when you purchase a pack? Very simple. When you purchase a basic pack, you get, of course, the same gold accumulation program that you have gotten used to, right? No change there. But when you buy a basic pack, you will get OPRs for 200 euros. At this point, while the issue price of OPRs is down at 10 cents, it means that you will receive 2,000 OPRs, as I said at this point. When you purchase the medium pack, the new price actually of the medium pack is not 600 but 595, just to round up the numbers and just to make it look better. When you purchase the medium pack for 595, you will get OPRs for 600 euros. That's at 10 cents a piece. That's 6,000 OPRs. When you purchase the business pack for 1150, you get OPRs for 1,500 euros. That's 15,000 OPRs at today's price of 10 cents. And the same applies to the minor pack. When a partner buys a minor pack for 1150, he receives OPRs for 1,500 euros. That is 15,000 OPRs at the current price of 10 cents. Good news for people who buy the partner pack. First of all, the price of the partner pack has gone down from 45 euros to 15 euros. But if and when you buy your partner pack every 28 days, you will receive OPRs for 20 euros, which means 200 euros at today's price of 10 cents. I hope you can follow and understand what I'm saying. But the price is not going to stay at 10 cents for long. It's going to rise to 1 euro. They are the same packs, Kalien. Thanks for the question. What about existing partners? That's the next question that we get asked. Okay, I'm a new partner and I buy new packs, terrific, but what about the old partners? They get the same number of OPRs awarded free, but they get those OPRs at 1 euro a piece if they send a written request to support@ilgamos.com. They will be sitting in escrow for 180 days, so people don't feel the urge to dump their freshly acquired OPRs onto the market. And they will be released to them if the partner, the old existing partner, is in an active status for the next 6 months. So that offer applies to basic, medium and business pack holders. I know and I hope you can follow what I'm saying. So much about existing partners. And another piece of good news. Once you have collected a certain number of OPRs, ILGAMOS has a bonus OPR program, which means that the number of the OPRs you collected is going to grow and going to go up. We devised this program to share the benefits of global growth of ILGAMOS with our partners. It applies to existing partners too, and this program starts on March the 20th, 2004. Sorry, that's 2015. That's a typo, excuse me for that. So ILGAMOS is going to keep partners informed about the timetable of the bonus OPR program. The benefit, of course, and the point is that you will see the number of your OPRs increase. By how much? How does the bonus OPR program work? All accounts will participate in the bonus OPR program in 2 stages. So you purchase your business pack for 1150, you get OPRs for 1500. That's at today's price, means that you get 15,000 OPRs. Right, so you've collected 15,000 OPRs. Terrific. In the first stage, the number of your OPRs will go up by 50%, so you will see the number go up to 22,500. And in the second stage, that number is going to double, so you will end up having 45,000 OPRs, and that's going to be the second stage of this 2-stage bonus OPR program. What's the benefit? What's the point of all this? Well, it's a multiplicator. We want our partners to enjoy the benefits of a growing, successful organization and company. I can't exactly tell you and give you the dates when these stages, the first and the second stage, will take place. But as I said before, we will give indications about that in newsletters, and we will keep you informed. One of the most frequently asked questions we get is, can I sell some of my OPRs? Yes, you can sell some of your OPRs, and you can offer them for sale. We look at the original amount that you have accumulated when you purchased your packs, or maybe you bought some more, and you can convert those freely into mining rights or offer all of them for sale. Your choice. Do you want to make a quick buck in the short term, or make potentially much more money over the medium term? It's your choice, but I'm going to give you numbers in a few minutes. So the original amount, you are free to do anything you want with. About the bonus OPRs that you receive in stage 1 and stage 2, when the number of your OPRs goes up, 50% of the bonus OPRs you can convert into mining rights or sell, your decision, but the other 50% that you receive as part of this bonus OPR program, the other 50% is only going to be convertible to mining rights. Next question. When can I start selling some OPRs? Partners can offer their OPRs for sale after the 20th of March 2015, or earlier if the total number of OPRs from pack purchases reaches 600,000, whichever comes first. So that's a rough timetable for you. The most obvious question probably, who will buy my OPRs? The short answer to that question is, other partners do. How? As I said before, 30% of all commissions credited in OPRs, you earn incomes, you earn commissions, bonuses, 30% of those earnings are credited in OPRs. Those OPRs that you receive are taken from the sell list, that is, from the inventory of OPRs that have been offered for sale by other partners. So what happens? This is an automatic built-in demand for OPRs. And as we have a great inflow of new partners and a strong trend to buy packs, as our business grows, OPRs offered for sale by old partners will be sellable very easily and quickly. Other partners may also decide to go out and purchase more OPRs. Those OPRs will also be taken from the same sell list, and other partners may purchase these OPRs from their own commissions they have earned through their work building the organization. When does mining begin? First of all, ILCoin already exists, as I have shown you. It's now sendable, it's now tradable, but there are only a few pieces mined as an experiment, as a test. We are not selling a dream or hot air. ILCoin already exists, but mining will start and accelerate big time as partners will get their mining rights, because in my introduction I said it's going to be you and your input into the mining pool that's going to lead us to mining ILCoins. For high-speed mining to begin, 1 million OPRs need to be converted into mining rights, and that's going to happen quite soon, and that's to preserve the safety and the stability of the whole system. How many ILCoins will be mined? Looking at our processing capacity, ILGamos can mine up to 2.5 billion ILCoins and keep it in wallets safely and securely. We will control the supply, the manufacturing, the supply and distribution of ILCoins. We will have a virtual monopoly over ILCoins. Okay, getting to the subject of converting OPRs into mining rights. How is that going to happen? How are OPRs converted into mining rights and of course ultimately to ILCoins? I want to make 3 very simple statements. Each mining right will cost 50 euros. Each coin will start trading at 50 cents, and each mining right will bring to its owner 100 ILCoins. But what does all this mean? I'm pretty sure you guys want to see numbers, and here I have prepared some numbers for you. Please pay attention in the next few minutes, because this is going to explain to you what you can expect from this whole exercise. First, I'm going to show you a short-term strategy where the person, Mr. X, buys an entry, a basic and medium pack for a total of 850 euros. For doing that, for buying all these packs, he receives 800 OPRs. He decides to go for the quick buck and offer his OPRs for sale. What happens? He collected 800 OPRs from these packs. The first bonus allocation of 50% means that he will have 1,200 OPRs, and after the second stage, when his OPRs double in numbers, he will get a total of 2,400 OPRs. From this inventory, he is able to sell 1,600 OPRs. The rest has to be converted into mining rights, as I explained. So if he sells out these OPRs, 1,600 OPRs, at least minimum €1 a piece, then of course he makes 190% profit on his original 850 euros he spent on these 3 packs. But that's a short-term strategy. He sold the OPRs he acquired as soon as he got the opportunity. We believe the short-term strategy, selling OPRs, is the profit minimization strategy. Plus, don't forget, OPRs sold can no longer convert into mining rights and ILCoin. You waste the opportunity to get involved with ILCoins and ILCoin mining if you sell out your OPRs. Alternatively, what's the smart strategy? The same Mr. X decides to convert 2,400 OPRs that he has and buys 48 mining rights at 50 euros each. It's very simple. 2,400 euros, that's the value of his OPRs, divided by 50 euro mining rights, that gives him 48 mining rights. Terrific. For these mining rights, he will receive 4,800 ILCoins at the launch price of 50 cents. Because, as I stated before, 100 ILCoins at 50 cents each, or 50 cents per mining right. So when the price of ILCoin, and as the price of ILCoin increases from 50 cents to €1, he can sell his ILCoins for €4,800, and that's a total profit of 560% on his original €850 that he spent on purchasing these 3 packs, and he hasn't even bought the business pack. If, let's assume, the price of ILCoin increases to €5, by selling the same stock of ILCoins, he pockets €24,000, which is 2,800% profit on his original €850 purchase. Now that's what I call a smart strategy, which is the strategy of profit maximization. I want to share with you another example, and now we are talking about Mr. Y, who buys not only the entry, the basic and the medium packs, but also adds the business pack. For all these 4 packs he pays €2,000, as you know. He receives 2,300 OPRs. After the first bonus allocation, he will have 3,450 OPRs, and the second bonus allocation will bring the number of his OPRs up to 6,900. So he has 6,900 OPRs in his account. Of these OPRs, 4,600 are sellable, and he decides to offer those OPRs for sale. If and as and when those OPRs are sold, he makes a 230% profit on his original €2,000 that he used to purchase the 4 packs. That's what I call the short-term strategy. Now, the smart strategy, of course, is to take a longer-term view and use the same 6,900 OPRs to acquire 138 mining rights at €50 each. I hope you can still follow me. I know these are numbers, but I think these are very, very exciting numbers. So he can receive and acquire 138 mining rights. For these 138 mining rights, he will receive 13,800 ILCoins at 50 cents each. And if and when and as the price of ILCoin increases to €1, he can sell his ILCoins for 13,800 euros. That's a 690% profit on his 2,000 euros. But if and when the price of ILCoin goes up to 5 euros, he can sell his coins for a total of 69,000 euros, and that's a 3,400% profit on his 2,000 euros that he spent originally on purchasing these 4 packs. Now that's what I call a smart strategy. Does it sound unbelievable? Yes, these are very, very high percentages, but they can be real. Don't forget that the price of bitcoins increased from 10 cents to $1,200, and that's a 12,000 times increase. 12,000 times increase. In this example that I've just shown you, we only used an increase of 10 times in the price of ILCoins. So compare 10 times to 12,000 times. So the potential, I think, is quite mind-boggling, absolutely. Question: why are OPRs discounted? Well, as you know, the price of OPRs today is 10 cents a piece. This way, for the same amount of euros, you get 10 times more OPRs, for a short while anyway, which means you multiply your profits 10 times. If you get your OPRs at a later stage at 50 cents a piece, then you, of course, the number of your OPRs will double, not grow 10 times, but it's still double, and of course doubles your profits also. And that's only at moderate ILCoin price rises. The purpose of discounting OPRs for a very, very short and limited period only, and I'm going to show you the timetable on the next slide, the purpose of discounting OPRs is to reward the early innovators. In other words, the earlier you get your OPRs, the more OPRs you will receive. How many? Very simple. Until the 20th of this month, the price of OPRs is going to stay at 10 cents a piece, which means, as I showed you before, you get 15,000 OPRs when you purchase a business or a minor pack. After the 20th of December, you will only get 7,500 OPRs at the price of 20 cents. As the price goes up on January the 12th to 30 cents, you only get 5,000 OPRs, and so on and so on and so on. Every week, every Monday, the price of OPRs issued will go up by 10 cents. So each time the price rises, you get less and less OPRs, which is still a great deal even if you get them at €1. I mean, after all, there is the bonus OPR program, as I've just showed you. But the point is, and that's what this table was designed to show you, the idea is, and that's simple wisdom, get your OPRs fast. I hope you can follow what I'm saying, and I hope you understand what I'm trying to get at. How can I get as many OPRs as possible? Just to recap, you can choose to participate passively, just buy packs, buy more packs, and acquire OPRs. The active way of participation is to help others acquire gold accumulation plans, earn a commission from those sales, and get 30% of your commissions credited to your account in OPRs at the daily price. So much about the ILCoin project, how OPRs are going to be converted into mining rights and ILCoins. I've showed you now the downloadable wallet, etc., etc. I'm very proud of what we have achieved over a relatively short period of time. But I also understand that you guys have some general questions about ILGAMOS, about where we are, about what to expect, so I'm going to cover some of those questions too. We received a question, quite legitimately, how about Bitcoins now? Is it Bitcoin or is it ILCoin? What's the story? Well, the answer is we love cryptocurrencies. We absolutely love them. We believe they are a way to go in the future. ILGAMOS will accept Bitcoins as a well-established, well-known means of payment for packs and physical gold. Very, very shortly you will see in your web office a new tab, Add Funds by Bitcoin. You will be able to convert Bitcoins and send Bitcoins from your wallet into your ILGAMOS e-wallet and use Bitcoins to pay for packs and pay for physical gold. No problem. ILGAMOS, on the other hand, mines and creates ILCoins, which is, let's face it, a brand new cryptocurrency. Bitcoins have a 5-year edge on ILCoins. We accept Bitcoins, but we at the same time develop, mine, create and distribute ILCoins. So I hope you understand the concept. There's absolutely no confusion there. Well, one of the most important and pressing questions that we get asked is, what about payment systems and payment platforms? We are expecting contracts from 2 credit card processing banks. 2 banks have approved ILGAMOS, and as we are told, we will be able to accept Visa, MasterCard, JCB, and UnionPay. Now, this is a great achievement for a new network marketing company selling gold and gold accumulation plans and dealing with cryptocurrencies to be accepted and approved by credit card companies and banks. But I must add that the use of credit cards will be limited. We will not allow the use of credit cards for paying for medium, business and minor packs, simply because of the high risk of chargebacks. I am sure and I hope you will understand our decision, but we have seen a few refund requests and chargebacks, not many, over the last couple of months, and they cost us a lot of money. In this industry, when you want to buy big ticket items, I mean several hundred or even thousands of dollars or euros, you are not allowed to use credit cards, and credit cards will remain available only for purchasing entry and basic packs. So if in our previous example Mr. X wants to buy 3 packs or Mr. Y wants to buy all 4 packs, he will need to make a bank transfer into our Cyprus bank account. That's how it's going to work, because that's going to protect us, the company, and of course you, our partner, from having to claw back commissions and getting involved with all the hassle and all the expenses of credit card chargebacks. You're asking us, what about the new website? I mean, the communication and the message of ILGAMOS has changed quite significantly. We are now offering cryptocurrencies as well as gold accumulation programs. So when is that going to be reflected on the new web page? Well, we decided not to touch the web page until the above mentioned contracts with the banks are signed and the payment gateways are integrated, because those companies, those banks, have screened and approved ILGAMOS on the basis of the information they found on our web page. Now, if they see that we are now full steam into ILCoins and mining and distributing our own cryptocurrency, that might put those contracts at risk. So if we don't change the look and feel and the message of the web page, there's going to be no risk. I'm pretty sure we won't have to wait too long before we get those contracts signed. Please understand and please accept our decision. We don't want to put these hardly fought advantages and benefits of signed contracts at risk. What about ILS, the ILGAMOS lead system? Of course, new content and new videos have to be produced to reflect the shift in our strategy, and that's going to take place very, very shortly. And piece of good news for you, we now have a new price for the use of the ILS, the ILGAMOS lead system. We have negotiated a deal with the service provider under which you will be able to use the whole service, the whole pack, videos, the landing page, autoresponders, etc., for not more than 99 euros for 12 months. So things are happening on that front too, so expect a newsletter on that next week. This brings me to the end of this call. I hope I could make the concept a little bit more understandable and clear for you. Please don't stop asking questions. We have no secrets, we have answers to all questions, and we are looking forward to building a bright future with all of you. ILCoin is a brilliant new cryptocurrency. It's the second Bitcoin, I'm absolutely certain of that, mined and distributed the same way as Bitcoins. I would like to thank you for your attention tonight, but most important for your trust and patience. I hope this was clear. I hope all this was understandable. And the link of this call is going to be put up on the Facebook page, on the ILCoin Worldwide Group Facebook page, and you can watch it and check it out as many times as you wish over the next few days. And please, please come back to us with questions to support, or to my personal email address, or Facebook page, or Skype. I thank you very much for your attention. Have a good day, a good afternoon, and a good evening, and see you on the call next week. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.